Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We are already in 2023 and this time I would like to do the second part of my video in which I mentioned some channels. So let me just explain firstly some things. So in 2023 I plan to continue with my channel, and I also plan to watch other channels on YouTube and support the community. So here are 4 channels that I would like to mention, and the first one, it's from the USA, and it's called ChopperFett. So this is a guy from the USA that has a Kawasaki Z900 RS. This is a wonderful modern classic machine, and I really enjoyed his channel. He's doing motovlogs, he's doing some let's say reviews of some stuff, of some gear and so on. So a very motorcycle oriented channel. So check him out, ChopperFett. Okay, the next one is BB shortly, or Big Bert. He is from Australia, more exactly from Tasmania, and he has some very interesting topics. His channel, it's about riding, doing motovlogs, but also about reviewing gear and do-it-yourself stuff you can also find on his channel. So a very interesting channel, I believe, and I am following him for quite some time now, and please check him out. So Big Bert. He has also some adventures, you know. I remember a video about searching for gold or something like this. A very unique channel, I believe. So the next one is Tuga Dashcam UK. This is a bit different channel because it is not about motorcycles, it is not about cars really, but it's mostly oriented into traffic and filming traffic. So it is a Dashcam channel, and I really enjoyed his videos. This guy is like I said, from UK, and I'm still enjoying his videos, and it is very interesting what can be really captured on a cam if you are driving a lot and if you are filming a lot. So from a situation to a situation, from a funny moments to a very serious moments on the road and so on. So check him out. Like I said, Tuga Dashcam UK. And the last channel, it's also from the USA, and it is called Viper 6. This is a very special channel in my opinion because it combines all that I mentioned just now. So he is doing motovlogs, he is doing reviews, he is doing funny videos, he is doing also dashcam videos like I just mentioned, and all these are parts of his channel. So a very nice channel in my opinion, and I'm following him for quite some time now, and I really enjoy his content. So Viper 6, you should also check him out. Okay guys, this is all for now. These were 4 channels that I follow, among others, and finally I will do another video of this kind in summer, I think, and till then, watch my videos, give me some likes and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.
Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.